Alright guys, there's a lot of different things here. We got angel saw. 8 mega equal 32. Okay. All this air wick. The Swiffer mops. More Downy. None of the Downy coupons are attaching, by the way. I'm just going to give you a quick one-over visual, simply because my phone is so low, it is about to die, okay? But I wanted you to get a quick visual on some of this other clearance. And we look to have tons of electronic stuff up here. Okay. Well, hello everybody, and we're back again at the Marketplace store. I had to come down here and see what they had for their clearance, and I did find a few things. And you want to know. So like and share the video on your way in. Please and thank you. Allow the video to play all the way to the end. That's really important. And that includes those ads. So even if you have to turn it down because you got what you wanted, just allow it to play through. Love you bunches for doing these things for me and for everybody else, because YouTube is watching. So please interact with the video. Leave a comment. So important. Thumbs up, thumbs down. All those interactions are so important. So thank you for doing that for me. Alright guys, we're back in the Marketplace store. You guys love the store tours, and they've got a pretty nice setup this time. So I thought we would do, a little look through at some of the new stuff. Look at the little doggies, the solar light doggies for $5. Look at that. Believe it or not, that's what my dog looks like. That's so funny, because that's what my dog looks like, really. And then, of course, we have Select Lawn and Garden right now. Mix and match, buy one, get one free. That includes the pots and the lanterns. So, buy one, get one free. And like I said, they've got some different stuff going on here. Alright, we got some fans. We got a good selection of fans here. I don't have this at my place. Oh, and we've even got the little metal fans here for $16. These work pretty good, and you can hang them on the wall. Okay, more lawn and garden stuff. Hoses, buy one, get one free. That's a really good deal right there. I want you to look how neat their store is. This is their lamp section. Look at this. Their furniture section. Their clocks. And their kitchenware. Now, they don't have as much kitchenware as some of the stores that I've been into. But they've got some different stuff here. So that's one of the benefits of going to different Dollar Generals. You come across some different things. Oh, these would make good salt cellars, guys. Oh, and this one right here even. That's a sugar jar with spoon, but you could use it for a salt cellar. This is a 14 ounce. These are 9 ounces. This is actually more. And of course, we got the ceramic vases that are 50% off. Purple dot, and all that other good stuff. Green dot, buy one, get one free. They have a really built up selection here of the green dot and purple dot items. Oh, and look, we got some more bread boxes. You don't have to use these for bread, by the way. They make really good storage boxes simply because they're tin. And, we've got glasses with straws and wooden lids. Oh, Why are these over here? These have a red dot on them, guys. And they're $9. Ha ha ha. And keep an eye out for these. Okay? I'm going to try to remember. These are red dot items. So next time red dot comes around, we're going to get some bungees if we can find them. Because that would be a really good deal. Of course, we have all the great boxes. I love these boxes for bedroom storage. They're great. And more fun summer stuff. Oh, look at the Fun in the Sun little box down here. Look at this. Fun in the Sun. It says it's a cooler. There's no way it's a cooler. It's just plastic. It could be a cooler, I guess, if you put just some styrofoam in there. But it's basically a little plastic holder for stuff. And, of course, more green dots. Buy one, get one free. More green dot. You know, I showed you these in another video. And since I've seen them, I've been trying to think of something that you could use these for other than sitting on a table. And I haven't come up with anything yet. So, more of your summer buy one, get one free green dot. So this store here is always well organized, cleaned up. You can see they got lots of empty shelves right there. Oh, what was this one? Okay, look at here. The Blossom items, all natural Blossom items, taking additional 50% off on the clearance. And the studio selection as well. Okay, I'm coming up over here to the clearance aisle. And we have so much stuff still here. Okay. Yes, there is so much stuff still here. We looked at this a few weeks ago and it looked just like this. So they must not have a whole lot of people coming up in here for this clearance stuff. We got some Legos, I see, on their clearance. Touch Up Tote. Multi-compartment. I'll look at that in a minute. We got some scope. I think the coupon would work on that. We'll give that a scan. But basically back here I'm not seeing. I mean, they have some things, but not a whole lot. And you know, I think there was something here that I was wanting at this store, but I don't remember what it could be. Now look, we've got some $4 Oral-B Gum Care electric toothbrushes, some Sensodyne toothbrushes, some Joyworks, some Shea Moisture, and I think there's a coupon for this. Let me scan it, and we'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, there is a $5 off of two of these. These are ringing up for $4.15. So we'll be paying $3.30 for two of these, okay? Yeah, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Now, next up, what else did I find? Oh, these 2-in-1s are 95 cents. All of these items are $1.95. Okay, all of these, what are they called? 5 deep breaths? Yes. 5 deep breaths. Okay, you need a daily deal. Yep, we got a $3 off when you purchase 4 Cheez-It crackers. And the Cheez-Its are on sale too for 4. So that's $8. You're going to be paying $5 for 4 boxes. Yeah, winner chicken dinner. That's $1.25 a box, guys. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4.25. That's $5. So that is a winner deal. Okay, another awesome deal that you need to do today Buy one Classico spaghetti sauce, $2.50 for the 4 cheese. And then you're going to get a free spaghetti product or angel hair product. Oh, angel hair product right here. Okay, and we're going to pick up the 4 cheese. I mean, I don't care if you just do this for emergency food. Okay, but if you want to do a whole meal, pick up the pepperonis, the 2 pouches of pepperonis for $2.50. One of these are at $5, and you're going to pick up the angel hair. So you're going to have pepperoni pasta, yeah, for $5, and you'll feed about 6 people. So this is an awesome deal. And that looks like a sale, and if that's a sale, you can get as many of those as you want. I'm about to scan it and see what it says. But it looks like it's a sale. So you could do as many of those as you wanted to, because it's a winner deal. Need to update their tags because that's actually $3.25. So still an awesome deal. Okay, you're still looking at $5.75 for that meal. Oh, look at all these empty boxes. The north sides are on sale for $1, guys. Instead of $1.35, on sale for $1. Go stock up. Where's our $2 on the package? Okay, we've got a new super value Blissful Meadow Tidy Cats with a $2 pilly off on that. Okay, so head to the store and get this Blissful Meadow cat litter, 23 pounds for $10.95. That's a winner chicken dinner deal, guys. Okay, just saying. And if you, I don't know if we still have that 8, save 8 on your next visit. If you spend 40, I don't know if you want to spend that kind of money like that, but you might. Okay, what do we got here? We got some cat food on sale for $8.50. Now see, this is, you know, when you get good cat food or good food, 2.8 pounds. Okay, that's only 2 pounds. You're $9 for 2 pounds. You're 3 pounds for $9 on the Iams. 3.5 on most of your, or 3.15 on most of your other cat food mixtures, okay? 3.15 on all of these. The Temptations are $6.50. And you also have the big bag of the Temptations cat food. Now the one is on sale for $8.50. You've got a $2 off. That's going to make that $6.50. That makes that a decent deal for this particular cat food, because this is a really good cat food. And I tell you what I like to do. I actually like to take good cat food and mix it with the Purina, because the Purina is okay. The regular Purina is okay, but the best Purina is the Naturals. So I get that when it's on sale. But recently, we just got this kitten chow. And we're going to mix this kitten chow with this. So, yeah. Best of both worlds, guys. Okay, this is going to be the last deal that we talk about, and I'm going to head out the store before I spend all my allowance for the week. We're going to talk about this Gain fireworks, because you can get 2 for $6, the Tango or the regular for 50 ones, okay? 2 for $6. That's a good deal, guys. And it's a store coupon, but it looks like we have an instant savings on Colgate, guys. Yes. Spend 15 on Ajax Ultra, Colgate Fabioso, Murphy, Palmolive, Suavitel brands, and you got an instant savings this week. Well, you know what's great about that? We've got some Palmolive coupons, we got Ajax coupons, and we got lots of Colgate coupons. So we're going to be making a pretty decent deal. And we also have Snuggle coupons. Yep. We got the $1.25 off the Snuggle along with our earns. So, alright. Is that the big one? That's the big one. I've been looking for that. You see that $14 Arm & Hammer? You got a $5 earn on that, guys. It's going to make that $9. I've been looking for that one. Okay. Like I said, we're going to head out of the store simply because, like I said, I'm finding too much good stuff. I'm picking up the one cat food. It's going to be $6.50. That's going to be $10 because I've got a $2 paper coupon. Okay. These are going to be $5. This is just my things that I'm couponing. Now, when it comes to my clearance items, I'm picking up the True Living pitcher. It's going to be $2.25, and this will be $3.25. Little nubby teething ring. I've actually been wanting one of those for my newest granddaughter. And since this is a marketplace store, I'm picking up some of these miniature cucumbers. If you've not tried these little cucumbers, mix them with some homemade ranch. You will love them. And believe it or not, look, they had this little double pack of spare ribs for $6.95. $3 a pound. Yeah. I have an appointment with my Instant Pot. And of course, I pick these up every time I go to Dollar General Marketplace. These little Johnsonville Andouille recipe sausages are great with almost anything you want to put them with. And last but not least, if you've not had these little boogers, well, give them a try. These things are awesome. Alright, guys, I'll see you again real soon, because we're going to go home and work some deal magic. Then I'll let you know. Blessings.